I'm Al Herwig. I have another one of my projects I dreamt up one night. I was going to cut the ABCs in one block, and on the jigsaw, over here, on the jigsaw with the blade going all the way through, sewing all the letters by turning the block and not cutting the other one off underneath. After I made this one with the A, B, C, D, and E, and F in it, I thought I could do better than that. I put all 26, the alphabet in one block. Here's the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And it was my only one. I didn't have to make a scrap one. And I started just by doing this here to see if it would work.
Are you going to do another one even smaller?
I don't think so. It was bad enough this way.